Alright guys, we're about to do a little POV. I did a little Toro. I've been at this car for about 3 days. 2023 70th anniversary. Pretty sweet. I think these are like 600 DeVille stock, but it has that 4 valve. 4 valves work at a time, but I think with the string brace a little bit different. Red guts on the inside, drop top. Pretty sweet, man. Dope car. First V8 that I really got to drive myself, and it's like not like a friend's and they're like baby my shit or whatever. So it's pretty dope. Great experience. I'll give you guys a cold start, and then I'm get some POV, and then we're shooting down to San Clemente for a car show. Running a little late like always. Right now, I think I'm gonna buy one of these before I buy a house, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make that move. All my little JDM cars, my Subaru, my BMW, Infiniti. One of them gotta go because it's time to upgrade. The doors, amazing, no handles. The red gut inside. This thing's pretty amazing, guys. Quick. Nice little upfront video of how the inside looks. This is how you control like the air, the AC. And I'm hot as hell right now, so I'm about to pop this down. It's some overcast today, so I think I'm gonna dropping the mook off this thing real quick, guys. Alright guys, just gonna put us on some POV. Headed down to San Clemente. Scat Pack to see if I'm going to pick a Scat Pack or a Vet. Sounds crazy, but some more people from my channel. Here you go. I got one of these sitting at home. So I set up on this pretty sweet energy. Alright guys, this carbon fiber McLaren from the back is sweet. This SVJ is pretty dope too.
always Gran Turismo. Cool.
More ratchet crowds over here. We're leaving the nice cars. Getting into what most of you guys drive in Rochester. where I'm from.
Oh, that's awesome.
I won't even say most, but I've been to too many car shows this year in Rochester.
17.
I gotta upgrade from a GoPro, guys. Wrap it up. I'm getting up out of here. Okay. Oh, the man, the myth, the legend's here, guys. The man, the myth, the legend.
Yeah, you'll have to bring the kids back. And I'll also have I have like the YouTube for it. I have a credit method book, which is the best that you can know about credit. So I teach you how credit works and everything, and what you should do to get your score up. Like I have a method that can make your score go up 40 points per month. Then I have my monthly mentor where I just help people.
Pretty much, thank you so much for your time. The game. Factory on there. I got a pic on definitely up there on YouTube and Instagram.
That's fine. That's fine. Put it on the Instagram. That's fine. That's my way of saying it.
Oh, here. Follow this guy on Instagram right here. So, hop in my V and get up out of here, y'all. Definitely was a dope show, dope event.